Hello! It would be great if you could join us by clicking the like button, subscribe, and the bell next to it. Let's start! Conversation 1. Shh! Did you hear that? No, I didn't hear anything. Listen! There was a loud crash. Really? Look, there's a cat by the window. Now, how did it get up there? Maybe it jumped on the trash can. Ah, yes! You're probably right. The loud crash was probably the sound of the trash can falling over. Conversation 2. Hello, Jake. Rose? Hello? Hello, Rose? Are you still there? Hello, Rose? The reception is very bad. I can't hear you. I'll have to call you back later. Hello, Jake. Can you hear me now? Hello, Rose? Yes, I can hear you loud and clear now. Sorry about the call earlier. I had to find a higher ground to get a better reception. No worries. Where are you now? I'm in Bandung now. Listen, I'm going over to Jakarta next Friday. I was wondering if we could meet up. I have a business plan I'd like to go over with you. Sounds good. Usual place? Yep, I'll text you the time. Alright, see you then. Let's read the following useful phrases. Mari kita baca frase-frase yang berguna berikut ini. Did you hear that? No, I didn't hear anything. Listen, there was a loud crash. Are you still there? The reception is very bad. I can't hear you. Can you hear me now? Yes, I can hear you loud and clear now. Notes. Can you hear the music? Bisakah kamu mendengar musiknya? Dan kalimat listen to the music. Dengarkan musiknya. Dua kalimat ini sama-sama mendengar musik. Tapi apa bedanya? Kalimat can you hear the music adalah suatu peristiwa ketika ada suara yang masuk ke telinga kita. Suaranya ini bisa kita dengar dengan jelas atau tidak. Listen to the music adalah sebuah tindakan yang kita ambil atau kita lakukan untuk memperhatikan suara yang masuk ke dalam telinga kita. Seperti kalimat ini, listen to the music, mendengarkan musik. Kita secara sadar memberi perhatian khusus agar bisa mendengarkan musik yang sedang dimainkan. Did you hear that? There were some strange noises. Were you listening? The teacher called your name. Alright, that's the lesson for today. Thank you for watching and we'll see you back next time.